Hi, this is the 6th day of the course and we're going to talk about microservices. We are going to discuss aspects of microservices and see an example issue tracker microservice over the next 2 days. What are the structure of them? 12-factor apps and scaling out those apps. Let's start first with the last day's task to implement a CORS Anywhere server. The task was to forward the source to the destination by modifying some headers. Let's see an example implementation of this task. I have created here basically a config for this server with some options. For example, I've specified the allowed methods, headers and credentials. There are other configurations for this CORS, but I have defined the simple ones. We have the default allowed methods, so we won't be specifying them again. A default origin is an asterisk that will allow everything. Here you can see I can populate this config from the file environment. I create a server and a multiplexer here. I only handle this path that will pass this to handle CORS request here. We start the server with some secure defaults. It will return a function because I want to pass the CORS config here, and it will pass it as a closure and return this function. This is the signature of this handler. Here, I just create a context and just say the default origin is this one here. I could also add some other figures based on this config. Then we do a proxy request. We have seen some examples before. We just do a request using the URL parameter that we pass, and then we capture the result and print the response back to the client. The implementation is not here, but you can use the previous lessons and the implementation is trivial. You have to perform the request and print the results. That's it. It's important to understand what CORS is and how it works.